Hey you guys, today I'm gonna show you the hair I received today. The hair I'm about to show you is called Eternal Chivox. She only sells South Raw Indian hair only. Are you all ready to go raw? Raw. The hair came in this beautiful black mesh sack. It's a net mesh. And it also allowed the hair to breathe. So this is her thank you card that I'm showing you. She got all her information on her cards. So I'll show you more. This is a business card. Eternal Chivox. So beautiful. How virgin is your hair? How virgin is your hair? So now I just want to show you her satin pillowcase. Because I'm a lucky girl, I got all these gifts from her. It smells amazing. So I guess sleeping on a satin pillowcase helps smooth frizzy hair and minimizes static. Silk pillowcases create a smooth surface for your hair and skin to glide over. With less friction, there will be less creases. Satin pillowcases also help maintain your hairstyle and prevent breakage. Sleeping on a satin or silk pillowcase can provide you with many benefits compared to cotton pillowcases. One of the benefits is frizz protection. Since satin is a smooth fabric, it doesn't rough up the hair cuticles like a regular pillowcases might. It also gives you less chance of hair breakage. And of course, your favorite hairstyle will last more long and the hair will also stay hydrated. So now let me show you how the hair bonnet also looks. It's so beautiful and sexy. And the back side of the bonnet also got her logo print, which is so cool. Very cool. Nice and stretchy. Very nice. And this bonnet fits my head like nobody's business. I mean, it fits so beautifully and I can sleep so amazing in this bonnet. You better get yours, girls. Also, she got all these products on her website. So if you're interested, go and check her website out and follow her on her Instagram. This is so beautiful. Oh, that is so great. When you buy 2 to 3 bundles from her, you get one of these. But as I said, I don't know why I got all these 3 because I'm just a lucky girl. That's all. So this is how the hairband looks. This is the front side with her logo printed. All of these stuffs are satins, which is very nice. So yeah. Please, this video is not sponsored in any way, nothing of that sort. I always do my video with love. So now I'm gonna pack everything aside and move forward. All right, I'm gonna show you how this hair looks. They are so bomb. Look at all this, so beautiful. Now let's get into the main business. always love to give information about where I get the hair from. So why this company? Because it provides the best authentic hair from South India. And this hair can last you forever if you take really good care of it. You gotta treat these bundles like it's your own hair, and you receive a very beautiful good result each time you install your bundles. And this is how the hair looks straight from the package. Smells so amazing and so soft. It smells so pretty. Oh my god. Oh yes, this hair is so, oh my god, the hair is so soft. Jesus Christ. The hair is extremely soft. Beautiful. So the origin is Indian hair, as you can see. And here the texture is curly. What is it? The texture is curly. And the length is 26. The length is 26 inches. And she also got hair care tips. Raw Indian hair comes in 3 textures: straight, wavy, and curly, period. She's US based and her company is also based in the US, of course, whose supplies comes directly from India, and she only sells the highest quality hair that can just last you all the way up to 2 to whatever year with proper care. So when you're dealing with raw Indian hair, each bundle is not gonna be the exact same curl pattern. All the curls are gonna look kind of different. 2 reasons: why the hair has not been chemically processed, and each bundle comes from one single donor. Each person hair don't look the same, but it's still curly hair or wavy hair or straight hair, still the same. And she doesn't sell AA hair, AB, AAA, ABC, ADF, Gene H, whatever raw Indian hair in that grade. She doesn't sell it. She also doesn't sell Brazilian hair, Malaysian hair, Peruvian hair, Cambodian hair. She don't sell premium virgin Remy synthetic mixed hair. Nope, it's a big no. She only sells 100% authentic Indian human hair. The hair is extremely soft. It has no smell, not at all. It doesn't tangle even once. It doesn't tangle at all, and can last you for many years if you do take good care of this hair as your own hair. Let's stop buying cheap quality hair, mink hair, fake hair, and spend your money on a good quality hair that will last you for many years. I hate fake everything, so I make sure whatever I bring on the table won't be nothing but the best. Superb, beautiful, legit, the real deal, nothing but the best. When I tell you this hair doesn't smell, it doesn't have any funny smell, it doesn't have this kind of stupid funny corn chip smell, you better trust me. This hair has zero smell. Absolutely beautiful. So this will be the end of my video. Stay safe, be cool, be good, be nice, and please don't forget to subscribe to my channel, like and share for more videos about this hair will be coming very soon. So stay tuned, all right, and be blessed.